Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. So last episode, we came to Blackwater City, killed all the shit in here, and now, I left y'all on it, and then I left y'all words, on a cliffhanger. So I will show you the best weapon in the game.
Rhino for your robot. Trade jet.
Well, okay, Ratchet.
I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale. What's a rhino anyway?
Rip ya a new one.
What did you just say to me?
R-Y-N-O. Rip ya a new one.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's worth a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the Blars.
Stolen. Look, trash can. Did I say's anything about it being hot? You better watch your mouth or I'll...
Wait, don't tell me. Rip you a new one.
That's why. Oh wait, I forgot. Words, fuck! Okay. It's pretty much impossible to get it on the first run unless, like, one, you never buy guns or ammo. Like, just go wrench. Which is in some cases impossible. So, like, you can only get it on, like, when you play again. Because after you beat the game once, you just play it again with, like, with your guns back again. So, unfortunately, we won't be able to get the Rhino. Ah, bitch, die. Asshole. Douchebag. Alright. Fart cave. Got it. We all. Smash. Smash all the things. Burn. Turn and burn! Burn, bitches, burn! Ah. Nice and toasty. Wee. Yay. I swear, having a helipack in real life would be, like, super cool. Because you could just, like, hover everywhere. Like, yay! I would just do this, like, forever. Like, just jump everywhere. Oh, fuck my ass, I forgot about this. Okay, so, this gold bolt, I have no idea how to get it. Not the slightest idea. Fuck. Okay, so they help you after immediately punish you. They punish you and then... ow, bitch! And then immediately helped you. This game is very nice to you. Okay, snipe that bitch. Ah, slippery. Burn, bitches. Oh shit, I'm getting dizzy. I will say, one of my, like, only gripes with this game is how slippery the controls are. I know, like, they're slippery so you can do shit like that. But, seriously. Look, they trick you with this shit. You see? The button here is broken. This is the only one you can press. I have no idea how to get that. I know you can't jump from anywhere to get it. Or can you? Hold on, I'm actually curious now. Oh, shit. I wonder. Oh my god. I am a fucking genius. Oh shit. Okay, now don't fall off. Gamer corner, don't fall off. Don't fall. I'm a fucking idiot. Okay, I know I can get it now. I know how to get it now. This is the dumbest fucking thing they do. This is the epitome of Ratchet and Clank bullshit. Fuck my ass. Woo. Oh fuck! I swear to God, this is so annoying. Come on, gimme. Oh fuck! Hooray for depth perception. I wish I had it. Fuck! I was almost there. Shit, I missed. I will get this gold bolt. Fuck. Oh shit, camera. I will get this gold bolt. I will. It is my destiny. Fuck my ass. I haven't said fuck this many times in a video since like Doritos Crash Course. Fuck. Ow. So now, like, instead of saying fuck, you know, to be original, I'm just gonna say like random shit. I'm just gonna make up curse words. Ooh, shit on egg. Alright, so there was a bit of a issue that I had to attend to, but I finally made it over here. Hoo-yah. Yes! I'm so accomplished. Oh, I finally got that fucking gold bolt. Had to think out of the box for a second. Speaking of boxes. Okay. Now, to get on with the game. Whew. That was tough. Okay, I'll get it. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, it only took one. Neat. Hiya. Take out the bolt. Yep. Okay. This is good. This is all a very good. Hey, we finally made it here.
Welcome to the HoverCon Intergalactic Hoverboard Competition. Captain Quark's giving away a brand new Platinum Zoomerator to the winner of this competition.
She has big boobs.
Platinum Zoomerator. Perhaps that will be the proof of your accomplishments that Skid's agent requires.
Wait, do you guys mean Skid McMarks?
Yeah, Skid couldn't make it, so we're here to, you know, fill in for him.
Guess we'll see about that.
Sweet. So, in the next episode, we'll do the race thing. We'll we'll go on a skateboarding race. That's the thing that's gonna happen. All right. So, see y'all in the next episode. Hope y'all had fun. I did. Bye.